Today we're taking a quick look at the Replicate panel in Silhouette Studio. This panel helps you create copies of your shapes and arrange them quickly and evenly. You'll find it on the right hand side of your screen. The icon looks like a star-shaped burst. The Replicate tab includes the tools you'll use most often. Duplicate creates a single copy of your selected shape. You can send the copy left, right, above, or below, and everything stays perfectly aligned. Rows and columns make evenly spaced copies in a straight line. Choose sets of 3 or 4 to build quick grids or repeated shapes. Fill page is going to fill your entire mat with as many copies as will fit. This is great for stickers, tags, and labels. The mirror options flip your designs left, right, up, or down while keeping the original in place. This is perfect for symmetrical designs. Rotate copies creates a circular pattern around a center point. Choose how many copies you want and Studio spaces them evenly. Turning on the center of rotation lets you move the target for different circle sizes and effects. Now let's move to the Advanced Replicate tab. You can type in the exact number of copies you want to make. Position: each copy chooses whether copies move horizontally, vertically, diagonally, or in a grid. The distance controls set the exact spacing between each copy for consistent production-ready layouts. Rotation allows you to rotate the copies as they're created for more decorative patterns. Once you have your controls set, click Apply to generate all the copies using your settings. Let's move over to the Object on Path tab. You'll find Drag to Path. You can use the grab handle to place your shape onto the edge of another. It snaps to the path automatically. Angle controls choose whether the shape stays perpendicular to the path or keeps its original angle. You can also adjust the start angle or add incremental rotation. The position controls control where the repetition starts, how long it runs, and how many repeats you want. You can switch to step length if you prefer spacing by measurement. When you're happy with the pattern, release the copies to edit them individually. The Replicate panel gives you everything from quick duplicates to precise spacing to advanced path-based patterns. Try each tab with a simple shape to see how they behave. It's one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow in Silhouette Studio. If this helped, hit like and let me know which panel you want me to cover next.